Hello friends, welcome to Live Channel. For employment news, please subscribe our channel.
Employment news of this week, December 5th to December 11th. Under this, following topics were published. Cover story: Indian Rhino Vision 2020 protecting and promoting rhino population. Digital learning, rapid emergence were published. Job highlights of this week, December 5th to December 11th. Indian Oil inviting applications for apprentices. Total number of posts 436. Eligibility 3 years diploma, trade apprentice, fitter, electrician, electronics, mechanical, instrumentation, mechanist, non technical data entry operator. For further details, please refer website. Age limit 18 to 24. Last date of application 19/12/2020. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises requires CEOs for autonomous bodies. Principal Director IDEMI Mumbai. For number of posts, eligibility, please refer employment news in detail. Age limit 50. Last date of application 4/1/2021. General Manager IGTR Aurangabad and Indore. Principal Director PPDC Agra. For number of posts, eligibility, please refer employment news in detail as well as please visit website for further information. Age limit 50. Last date of application 4/1/21. Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO, Defense Research Development Laboratory DRDL, inviting applications for Junior Research Fellow. Number of posts 3. BE BTech in Mechanical Engineering or ME MTech in Mechanical Engineering with first class. Age limit 28. Last date of application 31st December 2020. Junior Research Fellow. Number of posts 4. BE BTech in Aeronautical and Aerospace Engineering, ME MTech in Aeronautical and Aerospace Engineering with first class. Age limit 28. Last date of application 31/12/2020. Canara Bank recruitment of specialist officers in various disciplines in Scale 1 and Scale 2. Total number of posts 206. For eligibility and age limit, please refer website for further information. Last date of application 15/12/2020. Regional Science Center, National Council of Science Museums, inviting application for junior stenographer, number of posts 1, driver, number of posts 1. For eligibility, please refer website. Age limit 25 years. Last date of application 31/12/2020. National Institute of Biologicals, inviting applications for Assistant 1, number of posts 5, Assistant 2, number of posts 5, Junior Hindi Translator, number of posts 1. Eligibility, please refer website for further details. Last date of application 2nd February 2021. All India Institute of Medical Science, AIIMS, Kalyani, inviting applications for faculty posts. Group A in various departments. Professor, number of posts 27. Additional Professor, number of posts 22. Associate Professor, number of posts 31. Assistant Professor, number of posts 59. Professor cum Principal, number of posts 1. Associate Professor, number of posts 2. Lecturer in Nursing, number of posts 3. Tutor, clinical instructor, number of posts 17. Eligibility, age limit and last date of application, please refer website for further information. All India Institute of Medical Science, Bhubaneswar, inviting applications for faculty post Group A in various departments. Professor, number of posts 36. Additional professor, number of posts 6. Associate professor, number of posts 13. Assistant professor, number of posts 53. For eligibility and age limit, please refer website for further information. Last date of application 30 days from the date of publication. ICAR, Indian Agriculture Research Institute, inviting application for senior research fellows. Number of posts 4. Young professional 2. Number of posts 2. Eligibility and age limit, please refer website. Last date of application 15/12/2020. Sainik School, Kailikiri, inviting application for bandmaster, craft teacher. Please refer website for further information and last date of application 21/12/2020. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Total posts 3. Inviting applications for expert members in National Green Tribunal. Number of posts 3. For eligibility and age limit, please refer website. Last date of application 15/12/2020. NTPC inviting applications for diploma trainees. Number of posts 70. Diploma in mining, mechanical, electrical and mine survey. Age limit 25. Last date of application 12/12/2020. Tata Memorial Center inviting application for scientists, technical and other non-medical. Number of posts, eligibility, age limit, please refer website for further details. Last date of application 20/12/2020. Employee State Insurance Corporation inviting application for specialist grade 2 junior scale. For number of posts, eligibility, qualification, age limit, please refer website. Last date of application 24/12/2020. Cement Corporation of India Limited inviting applications for junior management trainee in various disciplines. Number of posts 49. For age limit and eligibility qualifications, please refer website. Last date of application 31/12/2020. Defense Research and Development Organization, total number of posts 6. Inviting applications for JRF 1. Number of posts 4. BE BTech in Mechanical Engineering. JRF 2. Number of posts 1. BE BTech in Electronic Engineering, Electronic and Communication Engineering, and Instrumentation Engineering. Number of posts 6. Age limit 28. Last date 21 days from the date of publication. JRF 3. Number of posts 1. BE BTech in Polymer Science and Technology, Textile Technology, Textile Chemistry, Fiber Science, and further information, please refer website. Age limit 28. Last date of application 21 days from the date of publication. Institute of Human Behavior Aligned Science inviting applications for posts of senior resident. Number of posts 34. Various posts based on regular and tenure basis. Please visit website for further details like age limit, eligibility qualifications. Last date of application 31st December 2020.
For your ready reference, we have attached the Employment News edition, which you can go through in detail. Thank you. Please subscribe Live channel for Employment Weekly editions. Thank you.